لفتهم وطلعت.
Okay, there is a beautiful place right in the front.
مين المسؤول؟ كابتن.
ليه واي مش entire operation they contacted the embassy.
And what about the lobster ravioli?
I asked them to remove the lobster. Or otherwise to cancel everything. Because we have a lot of customers.
Yeah. Sorry.
Thank you. Thank you.
فكرة الشارع مش حتة فان. برجع بالليل بقى متأخر تلاقي بقى قاعدين الناس قاعدين جنب الآثار الزرع دي سكرانين.
وصلنا دي بقى السمت 1 ده ولا
صمت وان خلاص يعني 2 بلوكس يعني.
don't tell her anything fine.
I know.
لا هو فيفث افنيو.
Are you going to wear the t-shirts tomorrow? You want us to wear the t-shirts tomorrow? Huh?
اه هي
So that's the New York Public Library. Fifth Avenue is on the right. On the street. Are we going? What is this?
Summit 1 observatory.
Huh?
من هنا.
So we are going to touch this guy. Yeah, this smells like blah. Let's see.
This is bank, yeah?
This is a bank.
This is a bank.
Or maybe that one. Oh my god, what is this smell? It's killing me. This is a pretty interesting this Grand Central Terminal. Are we? No. This is a terminal. Are we supposed to go from here? Summit. So we are going to the summit. One World Trade built. Yeah. Next destination. These are the rickshaws. Empire State. My favorite building is right in the front, where I cannot go till now. I don't know when will I be able to go there. This is one bucket list of mine to go to Empire State Building.
We can go today. What to do there?
Just from the on the top, just I don't know, just to see.
Let's go.
Not now, after this.
Yeah?
Yeah, we can.
I think so.
Okay.
Why not?
Going down. You have to go down. Yeah.
See here, Grand Central.
Escalators.
Oh. Interesting place.
This elevator for handicapped people.
Yeah.
Handicapped.
Maybe there is one other elevator, I don't know. And it will be too much funny. Ah, they have a separate entrance to this.
Is there anything else that I can go see right now?
What's that?
Is there anything else?
We have to buy tickets, right?
From there, yes.
I mean, we're in San.
So apparently they are sold out. Available 9:30 to 10 p.m. Yeah.
It's too late.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
So she wanted to go to Empire State.
Okay.
Okay.
It's 43 to go up an elevator.
Yeah.
Walk in this glass place.
And then come back. Maybe next time. Super sad. As we couldn't find tickets for the summit, we are going to Empire State Building and I hope we are able to do this. Let's see. Let's see. I'll show you. So let's see whether this time I'm able to go to this place or not. Fingers crossed.